Today, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive. If you want to perform a clean install of Windows 11 or fix a PC that won't boot, you need a bootable USB and you want to do it the right way. In this video, I will show you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB using the official Microsoft Media Creation tool. This is the safest and most reliable method in 2026. The only requirements for this video is that you must have a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. This process will completely erase your drive, so make sure you back up your files before proceeding. You also need a strong internet connection because we will be downloading around 5 GB of data. Also, you need a working Windows computer to create the bootable USB for the system you are fixing. Now go ahead and open your web browser and head over to the official Microsoft website to download Windows 11 ISO image. Once you are on the official page, look for the second option called Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Just go ahead and click the download button. This will download a small file named MediaCreationTool.exe. Now go ahead and plug your USB drive into your computer. Next, right-click the Media Creation tool and run it as administrator. On the next screen, it will ask you to choose the language and edition. Now here comes the most important part. It will ask you which media to use. Select USB flash drive. Do not choose the ISO image. For this method, just go ahead and click on Next. Now inside the tool, you should see your USB drive listed under Removable Drives. If you don't see it, just go ahead and click on Refresh. Then select your drive and click Next. Now the tool will start downloading the Windows 11 and automatically start flashing them onto your USB drive. This can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes depending on your internet speed. And that's it. You now have a fast, official Windows 11 bootable USB. You can plug this into any compatible PC and make sure to boot from the USB drive through the BIOS and start the Windows installation. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KS Kirayo. I will see you in the next one.